Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use a Mastercard gift card on Roblox. First open Roblox in your browser or app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Robux to open the Robux purchase page. On the Robux page you will see different packages. Take a moment to choose the amount of Robux you want to buy. Click on the package that fits your budget. After you select a package, you will be taken to the payment screen. On this screen, choose debit or credit card as the payment method. A Mastercard gift card works like a regular card here. Next, you will see a form for payment details. Start by entering your email address. Use an email you can access. Then enter the card information. Type the card number from the front of the gift card. Enter the expiry date and the CVC code from the back of the card. After that, type the cardholder name. Make sure the name matches the name you used when the card was registered. Now choose the country or region that matches the card. Double-check all details for mistakes. When everything looks correct, click Pay. Wait a few seconds while Roblox processes the payment. Thanks for watching.